Lots of developers confuse calling stored procedures versus functions in PostgreSQL. Here's exactly how to do it right. Starting with PostgreSQL 11, stored procedures are invoked using the call keyword. Before version 11, PostgreSQL didn't even have true stored procedures, only functions. Procedures are special because they can manage transactions inside their body, committing or rolling back as needed. The basic syntax is simple. Write call, then your procedure name, then parentheses. For example, call process_orders. That's the foundation. In production, always qualify the procedure name with its schema. Write call public.process_orders. This avoids ambiguity when multiple schemas exist in your database. To pass parameters, simply include them inside the parentheses. Call public.process_orders with 42 and the string pending. For readability, you can also use named parameter syntax. Order_id arrow equals 42. PostgreSQL supports both positional and named styles. Here's the distinction that trips up many developers. Procedures use call, but functions that return values use select instead. For example, select calculate_discount of 100 returns a numeric result you can use immediately. Procedures are designed for actions and side effects, and they can commit transactions mid-execution. Functions are designed to compute and return data. Knowing which keyword to reach for tells your interviewer you truly understand PostgreSQL's execution model. Remember, call for procedures, select for functions. Always qualify with schema and pass parameters in parentheses. Subscribe for more PostgreSQL interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.